Hi everyone, my name is Awes and I'm the CEO of Venus FX, and I really warm welcome you in my YouTube channel. And before I continue, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to discuss about a controversial subject, which is the use of indicators in trading and how effective they really are. But I believe that indicators are one of the main catalysts of many Forex traders' frustrations. As a price action trader, we don't need to rely on indicator to make our trading decision. I only sometime, one moving average so I can perform my mean value analysis, which works synergistically with price action systems. We can use some indicators, but not to generate signals, but only as a conflict factor. So that's what today I'm going to discuss that why I guess that trade trading with indicators frustrates us. So one of the most famous indicators in trading is MACD. So let's open MACD. Yeah. If you guys can see here, and by the way, before I continue, don't forget that all indicators are lagging indicators. Not one of them is leading. Like they are not leading prices. What leading price is? This price, not these lagging indicator. They rely on price. They rely on price action. That what's happening. Okay, so uh, many people say that when the price is above the zero line on MACD, when the histogram is above, then you should buy, and when it's below, then you should sell. So market starting selling off from here around 0.96080 from April 16, 2019. From there, to straight away this market is still in downtrend. But does this indicator even like indicates that if the market will continue the trend, or if the trend is breaking out, or if there is a strong uptrend, downtrend, or if it's a sideways market? But it can be used in divergence to spot divergence, which I'll be making another video for. But for now, you can easily see that it doesn't indicate anything. It only frustrates. If I buy here and I sell here, I buy here, I sell here, and I have made more losses than wins. So better to rely on this price action because it tells each and everything in the market. Second most famous indicator in Forex is RSI. Okay. People assume that whenever it will there are our bought and our sold zone, like when the line chart on this RSI is above the our bought, which is 70, or some take it as 80, but mostly 70/30. So if it's above or around 70, then it's an overbought market selling. And if it's below 30 or it's around 30, so just take buys and sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. If you see price action, let me cancel it. If you see price action there, it was telling you to buy here, it was telling you to sell, it was telling you to buy. But market didn't did anything as like this indicator. Like from there to there, like if I can show you with vertical line, from here till here. It was an uptrend in the R side, not in the market but in our side, if you can see. It was an uptrend. But do you see anything like that? Not at all. So better to avoid. If you want to save your money, if you want to save yourself, then better to avoid all indicators. Only learn exactly how price action works, because it is the best friend you will ever have in your trading, price action trading. Yeah. Let's add another most famous indicator which people mostly I listen talking about is stochastic. Same concept, overbought, oversold situations, buy low, sell high, but there is nothing like that. Market is still in downtrend and it will continue in this scenario, which I can sense. So it's better to avoid all these indicators, because what it will do is it will just make your charts look more messy, look more confusing. If I can set it up. Well, let's add all of these three indicators, these three of these most famous indicators. And third one is MACD. Alright, okay. You see, which thing we should follow? Should we follow MACD? Should we follow RSI? Should we follow stochastic, or only price? Because I can see each and everything here. I can see what the trend is. I can see where to enter in this trend, where to exit this trend, where to put the stop loss, where to put the TP, what is the risk reward. Each and everything is shown in the chart. We don't need third party to guide us where the market is going. So this was an awareness video, and if you if you want to learn more in depth, if you want to get more clearer view on the market, if you want to make more profits, then DM me on Facebook, on Instagram, or our Telegram channel, which you will be seeing the link in the description. Just DM me how, and I will let you know how to get in. So from now, take care of yourself, and better to learn the right thing from the right people, from the right person. Have a great day.